Malware, viruses, worms, and Trojan horses. Good morning, everyone. I am Dhanasri from Geetanjali College of Engineering and Technology, Department of CSE Cyber Security. Today, I will present on the topic malware, virus, worms, and Trojan horses, which explains how malicious software functions, spreads, and affects computer systems. Understanding these concepts is critical to ensuring system and network security in today's connected world. Introduction to malware. Malware, short for malicious software, refers to any program or code intentionally designed to damage, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access to computer systems. Malware includes various forms such as viruses, worms, Trojan, spyware, and ransomware. The primary goal of malware is to steal information, harm system functionality, or exploit systems vulnerabilities. Malware spreads through infected email attachments, downloads, removable drives, and compromised websites. User unawareness is major factor in successful malware infections. Types of malwares. Malware can be classified into multiple categories based on behavior and objectives. Viruses attach themselves to legitimate programs. Worms self-replicate without human assistance. The Trojan designates the useful software. Spyware secretly monitors user activity, while ransomware encrypts files for ransom. Modern malware often combines multiple techniques. For instance, a Trojan may install spyware after infection. Thus, recognizing the type of malware help in applying the right countermeasures. Computer viruses. A computer virus is a program that attaches itself to a legitimate file or executable and replicates when that file is run. It spreads from one computer to another via shared files, email attachments, or infected disks. A virus typically performs two functions: replication and destruction. Some viruses corrupt file while other display unwanted messages or crash systems. Example includes file infector viruses, macro viruses, and boot sector viruses. Effective antivirus software can detect and remove them before execution. Worms. A worm is a self-replicating program that spreads across networks without needing to attach a host file. Worm exploits network vulnerabilities to propagate automatically. Unlike viruses, worms can spread rapidly, consuming bandwidth and causing network congestion. They may also carry payloads that delete files or install backdoors. One of the most significant risks of worms is their speed. An entire network can be compromised within minutes if unprotected. Trojan horses. A Trojan horses is deceptive program that appears legitimate but contains hidden malicious functions. Trojan do not replicate like viruses or worms. Instead, they rely on user action for installation. Once installed, they can create backdoors, allowing attackers remote control over systems. Trojan are often discussed as software updates or utility programs. They are commonly used to steal confidential data, install additional malware, or perform denial of service attacks. User awareness and caution, cautious software installed are key defenses. Difference between viruses, worms, and Trojans. Another, although viruses, worms, and Trojans all fall under the category of malwares, They differ in structure and behavior. Distinction clearly. Viruses required a host file. Worms spread independently, and Trojan rely on deception. Viruses and worms replicate while Trojans do not. Understanding these differences help security experts choose appropriate detection and removal strategies. For instance, network monitoring is vital against worms, while behavioral detection is essentially for Trojans. Effect of malware on systems. Malware causes a wide range of problems in computer systems. It can slow performance, delete or corrupt files, and disable security tools. If corporate environments, malware can lead to data theft, financial losses, and operational disruptions. Malware also possesses physiological and reputational damage. Victims lose trust in technology or service providers. Additionally, malware infect system can be used to bots to spread more infection or conduct coordinated attacks. Detection and prevention technique use. Detection and preventing malware involves multiple layers of defense. Antivirus and anti-malware software detect known known threats using signature based technique use. Firewall monitor incoming and outgoing traffic, while institution detection system identifies suspicious activities. The, the importance of software updates and patches to fix vulnerabilities exploited by malware. User education is also essential. Never open unknown attachments. Avoid pirated software and scan removable drives before use. Organization security against malware. Organization must adopt comprehensive security strategies to combat malware. This includes endpoint protection, network segmentation, and regular data backups. Companies should enforce security policies covering device usage, access rights, and incident response. Employee awareness training and periodic vulnerabilities assessments strengthen defenses. Establishing a culture of cybersecurity where prevention is prioritized over recovery. To conclude, malware includes virus, worms, and Trojan remains one of the most persistent threats in the digital world. Understanding their mechanism is vital for effective prevention. Technical control like antivirus software, firewall, and system updates are crucial, but user vigilance is equally important. By combining technology, education, and policy enforcement, individuals and organizations can significantly reduce malware risk and ensure safe digital environment.